Hey campers, ready to take your outdoor cooking setup to the next level? Today we're diving into the best camping cooking utensils for 2025. From must-have essentials to smart compact tools, I've got the inside scoop on the top gear that'll make your camp kitchen shine. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a backcountry chef, stick around for some game-changing recommendations. Let's jump right in. First up, every great camp kitchen needs a solid utensil set. In 2025, brands are upping their game with lightweight, durable, and eco-friendly options that pack down small but cover all your essentials. Look for a set that includes a spatula, ladle, serving spoon, and maybe even a few extra tools like a peeler or tongs. My favorite picks are easy to clean and come with a carrying case, which makes them perfect for on-the-go cooking. If you're ready to upgrade, check the link in the description to find the perfect set. Next, let's talk knives. A reliable knife is a must. And in 2025, there are some awesome options with blades that handle everything from chopping veggies to slicing through meat. I recommend looking for a foldable or sheath-covered knife that's both sharp and safe to carry. Many newer knives are lightweight, rust-resistant, and easy to sharpen in the field. It's one tool you won't want to skimp on for any camping trip. Third on our list is a good cutting board. Yes, you actually do need one. Cutting boards designed for camping are super compact, flexible, and non-slip, making them ideal for safe food prep on uneven surfaces. Some even fold up, taking up minimal space in your gear. I'll show you a few that are both sturdy and easy to clean. Trust me, once you try one of these, you'll never go back to prepping food on rocks or logs. Fourth, silicone utensils are an essential. When cooking with high heat on an open flame, you want tools that can withstand it. Silicone-tipped tongs, spatulas, and ladles are all fantastic for this. They won't scratch your pots and they're heat-resistant. Plus, they're easy to wash, which is a huge bonus for camping. I've linked a few of my top picks in the description if you're ready to upgrade your toolkit with these fire-friendly essentials. Finally, let's talk about multifunctional tools, specifically grilling tongs and spatulas. Some newer models are built for versatility. They can flip, turn, and even cut food, combining several functions in one tool. This means fewer utensils to carry without sacrificing cooking quality. These are perfect for anyone looking to streamline their setup, but still enjoy a quality camp cookout. Interested in trying them out? Hit the link in the description to find some great options. Alright campers, those are my top picks for the best camping cooking utensils in 2025. Having the right tools can make all the difference in your outdoor cooking experience. So, whether you're just starting out or upgrading your camp kitchen, there's gear out there that'll fit your needs perfectly. Don't forget to click the link in the description to visit my shop and grab any of the essentials we covered today. Happy cooking, and I'll see you out there.